Right at the car wash. Taking the car wash now in the Tesla. I'm gonna show you a special feature called car wash mode. As you can see, this is in Abu Dhabi. I went to Ohio and came back. It was like around a lot of hour flight. I went yesterday. I went a long back. Car wash mode. Keep speed below 15 kilometers. Charge mode will lock. So mostly everything will be off. You can see right there. This is the Abu Dhabi adnoc that we're going to be doing the car wash. So let's wait for that. The car wash of Tesla. Tesla car wash. Whee! What a... You can see how the car wash looks. I'm going to show you the result on the outside. Alright guys. Oh god, this is a rainbow foam. As you can see, this is the rainbow foam at adnoc. Rainbow foam.